So today I'm going to show you how to take the canon off the 9030 Markem Imaje printer, and we're going to take the little front plate because we're having some issues over here. The little front plate, we're going to try and unblock it, although I think we'll have an issue going forward, but in any case, let's see how far I might have to show you guys. So take off the cover, you then take off this little cover here by loosening that Allen key. Okay, the cover's off. Okay, so I'm using the cell phone's little LED, flash LED. So you loosen those. Okay, before that you should actually loosen the little screw it holds just that basically the negative, because the other one unplugs, so that needs to be loose. Don't lose the little screw. Okay, so that needs to be loose. The main one, it just pulls out. So that just pulls out to the little hole over there. And now my big finger's in the way. Okay, so let's hope it doesn't fall off. So there we go. Okay, that's in focus now. There again. That's there. Now when you take this off, let me see if I can do like this. When you take this off, be careful. There's two O-rings. See, there we go. The O-rings are there now. There's two O-rings that stay behind. Two little black O-rings. There you go. You can see them there. They stay behind. Those cannot be lost. Those are very fine and difficult to get hold of. And then we're going to work from here. Alright, that's nice in focus. Let's see, right, so those two little screws with the screwdriver that came with the kit. Very gently, do not scratch the front of the plate. There are two countersunk screws. This plate only fits in one way. Do not lose these screws. Be very careful with them. Okay, that's one screw off. If you scratch where the ink comes out, a little hole, that's big problems, because then it's done forever. There's no cleaning that up. Okay, and now we're going to take the little plate off, and there you go. That's what it looks like on the inside. There's a little plate. There is a little hole there. We worked on it yesterday. We're going to work on it today again and see what's going on here. Super. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks.